guys, my name is Lieben, and today I'm going to be doing a simple video. I'm just going to be changing the oil on my car here. So first thing we're going to start off with is just basically jacking up the car. Alright guys, I went ahead and jacked up the car now and put it on jack stands. Also shook it to make sure that it was stable. So now that everything is secure, we're going to go ahead and start getting to work. So I'm going to go ahead and start off by unscrewing this bolt right here, which is the one that lets the oil drain. Alright, and I just need to make sure I have the pan aligned so when it starts dripping and falling to the pan. And honestly, it would be a lot easier if I had gloves on, but I never buy any, so I always end up doing this by hand. There we go. And now pretty much we just wait until the oil drains all out. And another thing you guys might have noticed is that it seems like there's a lot of oil down here. I know one of them is the power steering line. I've actually already ordered it and planning on getting it replaced. That one actually made a big mess down here. And I think maybe the engine might be leaking oil. I really haven't tracked that one down. The strangest thing is that, I mean, I check the oil like very frequently, like once every week or once every 2 weeks around there, and like the oil level is always the same. So hopefully it was just that oil line just made a big mess, but once I get it changed, I'll be able to track it down more carefully. Alright, now that most of the oil has been drained out, I'm gonna start trying to see if I can unscrew the oil filter off. Alright, so it's pretty tight in there, so I'm gonna have to go ahead and get the tool to remove it. As you guys can see, there was still a lot more oil here where the oil filter goes. And now we wait for that to drain as well. Alright, so I actually went ahead and got a K&N filter. So I'm going to go ahead and take it out of the box here. And it's actually slightly smaller than the one that it came with. So first what we're going to want to do is grab some of this oil here. I'm going to put it around this seal here just so it doesn't like seize up. And actually this one was kind of hard to take off too as well. Even using the tool. Let's go ahead and grab some more of that there. One of the cool things also about this K&N filter is it actually has like the wrench notch right there. So in case like next time I can't find the the oil filter remover, I can also use that. that's done, let's go ahead and clean it off here a bit. Now let's go ahead and put this one back on. A new one. Alright, and now that most of the oil has been drained out too, I'm going to go ahead and put this bolt back in to plug it up. I personally don't like to tie in these too much, just because I feel like as you're running it and by the time it's time to do your next oil change, it kind of like seize up. So I don't over tie in these. Plus you could also break the bolt. Now that everything has been taken care of down there, now basically it's just filling up here. Alright, there's the oil filter there. And now if I'm lucky, I won't make a huge mess. But that almost never happens with me. Oh wow, that was horrible. What was that? Well guys, don't be like me who just made a big mess. I'm not 100% sure how much oil it takes after changing the filter. So I'm actually just going to go ahead and take this off. Give it a couple minutes here and now check the level here. I'm actually also going to go ahead and put some oil around here, just because this plug really likes to seize up as well. Go ahead and cover it for right now, just so no dirt or anything gets in there. Like I said, there's really nothing much to do left down here. So now I'm going to go ahead and lower the car. I went ahead and had to put some wooden planks under the tires just because the car's lowered, and it was kind of a pain putting the jack without them on. And there we go, it's on the ground. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and check the oil level here. Alright, so I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's actually about right there. And the H, alright, truck just passed by, so it's about there right now, the level, and high is right there, so it has a little bit left to go, but actually not that much. The good thing is that I did buy an extra quart just in case this was to happen and we needed more, which I kind of expected. So I'm not going to go ahead and add too much, just because I can always later on check to see if it needs more. I'll just add a couple of more of it. because I don't want to overfill it either. So go ahead and leave it at that for right now. And like I said, I'll just here tomorrow, maybe not even tomorrow, here in the next couple of minutes, I'll go ahead and double check, see if it needs more. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Like I said, it was a simple video today. It was just an oil change, pretty common thing that a lot of people do. But I will see you guys in the next one.